All right, it's 9:29, and Dad's packed up his stuff and the electronics, and I tasked him with the carry-ons for the kids. But I just packed up 3 kids, most of myself, finishing up here. It still looks like a war zone. I don't know. I feel like we'll be done, but 9:29. Just a couple more minutes, a couple more things. I thought we were going to get to walk around the ship one more time. We still haven't checked out our photos. Who knows if we will. Because right now, I just want to crash. But looking forward to tomorrow. We get off the ship bright and early. Then we don't have a flight until 9:15. It worked out best, but we still have a whole day to kill. So we considered a couple things. We considered the Space Museum, the NASA Museum at Kennedy Space Center. But you know what? It's gonna be almost $300 for the 5 of us to go do that. We're like, you know what? Kids will like it, but maybe not tomorrow. So we do have a car rental, minivan. So we're gonna pick that up, head up to Disney Springs. It's an hour drive from Cape Canaveral, but once we get there, we can kill the whole day. They have music, they have restaurants, they have shops. You know, the kids will be entertained, we'll be entertained. And then it's just about another hour to the airport. So if we get up there somewhere before noon, 11, 12 o'clock, and then we kill 4 or 5 hours there, then head over to the airport, something to do. The kids will enjoy it, we'll enjoy it, and we can at least get a little bit more warmth and sunshine before we get home. So let me finish this packing. All right, what do we got here? 9:51. 9:51. Brian's over there tagging our suitcases. The kids are packed up. We're packed up. We're ready to go. So we made it. We made the 10 o'clock deadline. We're going to get these out in the hallway. We just, other than, a couple things for the morning. Don't forget, if you need any medications, definitely leave those out. We need our phone chargers for tonight. We need our carry-ons for tomorrow. Clothes for tomorrow, and then something to put in the clothes that we're wearing now, and like our PJs. So that all has to get packed up in the morning, but for the most part, we're going to put all these suitcases out in the hallway so they come take them. We can pick them up tomorrow. We have these, not that it really matters, but nice tags that has your name, address, and everything on it. We're going to put those on those so we can get those after we get off the ship. Come over here. The adjoining room was absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend. We won't have it every time, but this time, wow. And what do you say, guys?
We'll see you on the seas.
See ya on the seas.
Yeah, everybody's playing some iPods.
Come on, time trousers.
Eating your pizza. Your rooms, everything's packed up. Bathrooms are empty. Drawers are empty. We've done a double check. We will leave behind things like the rest of the toothpaste. Even the toothbrushes after they brush their teeth in the morning. Not bringing them home. We got travel ones. Sorry, guys. We don't have to bring them home, because extra room. Okay, then you can put it in your carry-on. No problem. Hey, we pick battles. Everybody's got their bunnies. Can you turn that on, please, baby? Because I'm filming right now. Yep, double-checked all these cabinets. And there's our pile of clothes for tomorrow. Our carry-ons. And it's a sad time. One last time, let's go take a look at this beautiful balcony. It's nighttime, it's dark. Can't see much, but listen to that. Sounds so pretty. So tomorrow morning we will take you with us as we disembark. We are going to try to hit the main dining room before we leave. We want to fill the kids' bellies, get one last meal in, and we will have to do it early, so time will tell. You know, we have to be flexible with kids because that's just the way we have to roll. But if we can get some breakfast, then get off this ship, pick up our rental car, and head up to Disney Springs, it'll be a nice day. And it'll be January 2nd, and tomorrow night, this time, I'd like to say we'll be home, but we won't. We'll be in the air. But we'll be almost home, back home in New Jersey, tucked into our beds. And the kids, we did get notifications from the school today that we are in person, and our kids are vaccinated. And even though they've been out of the area, vaccinated and out of the area, as long as they have no symptoms and no anything else, well, they can be in person. So let's cross our fingers that everybody stays healthy and happy and not even funny. Over there, my little prankster over there. Yeah, it's kind of like yelling. No, let's not even joke. Yeah, so it's been a great time. It's been a great cruise. Did you guys have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See.
Well, we June 2022 scheduled on Oasis of the Seas.
Well, now we can just say June 17th because it's already 2022.
You got it. June 17th. We'll be going. So, Dad, let's get these suitcases out. We're gonna make sure they all go out at the same time. They'll get picked up at the same time, and
they all have the same tag. They're all going to the same place. But if they go out together, it increases the chance that they'll be found together later.
agreed.
Make sure we share a video of that of finding your suitcase.
Alrighty. Well, we're gonna get this going here. Maybe I'll get a chance to go look at my photos, but no promises. See you on the seas. Turn what on?
Turn it up higher.
Turn what up higher?
Higher!
What?
I'm freezing!
Oh, the heat. Okay. What is the temperature? Let's see here. 32, 258 on January 3rd. It is, honey. It is.
It's
Turn
my
up.
birthday. It's my birthday. It's
All
my
right.
birthday.
Sit down. Yeah. You wish.
It's my birthday.
Seatbelts on, please. Seatbelts.
In 20.
They have them. Kevin has his, Katie has hers. So we made it, guys. We are here, ABE, Lehigh Valley International Airport.
We finally made it back home.
What a flight. What a journey. What a ride. Fantastic. I know I say that word too much. Great vacation. We had a lot of fun. Got a little bumpy there at the end, but wouldn't change a thing. You guys got to experience a lot of interesting things.
20 more.
And what better...
25 more days till my birthday.
25 more days till Katie's birthday. Yeah, it was a great trip. We're really happy to be back home in our own car. How you doing over there, Dad?
Cold.
Yeah. I got my butt warmer on. We turned up the heat. We're gonna plug in our phones. And we're gonna come down off of that flight because I gotta tell you,
Oh yeah, I have a booster.
that was rough. I sat next to a lady who was not having a great day, was not happy about everything going on, and felt like maybe we got the brunt of it a little bit. But kids were awesome on the plane. Everybody was awesome on the plane. Everybody was just happy to get out of there. And I gotta tell you, for everything that went wrong, the crew on the, or the staff, what do you call it, like the stewards and stuff on the the crew on the plane was really nice, really accommodating, and the pilot was too. So, thank you guys. That's a wrap. Stay tuned.
Some people.
And if you want to see more,
He was talking.
oh sorry.
Go ahead, Jay.
Some people were on the airplane to come to
Turn right and then turn left.
to our state so they can have vacation at our state.
Yeah, you're right. Some people are coming to here for vacation, right? But we are home. So that's a wrap. Stay tuned for all the videos that we have coming to you.
If you want to see more craziness, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next time we do something crazy and go on vacation with these kids again.
I promise I'll be catching up on those comments too. I have been reading them all. Thank you for everybody out there who's supporting us. Thank you for everybody out there who sent some good positive vibes our way. We sure could have used them there for a bit. But like, subscribe, see you on the seas.